Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is NGumah, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'll be showing all of you the top 2 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for next week. So stay tuned. Now, the first stock that all of you should be keeping in your watch list, I actually talked about this before, but now the pattern is a lot more clear and it's very easy to understand. So here it is. The name of the stock is actually NGumah. Yep, right there. In my previous video, I talked about NGumah when the stock was around $57. And I mentioned that what I wanted to see was the stock to pretty much stay in here and consolidate and break out. But I also mentioned that if the stock actually broke this line right here, that it would just keep dumping and dumping. And that is exactly what happened. It dumped here and then it rebounded a little bit and it faded out some more. But the pattern that I want to talk about for this specific video is on the 1 hour time frame. And the pattern is right here, okay? It's right here. Let me get the right drawing tool and let me connect the tops with the bottoms. All right, and what you see right there is called a bullish pennant, which I've talked about multiple times on this channel. Now, here is the bullish pennant, and we're gonna compare it to a previous trade that I took on Tesla about 3 months ago, okay? And the trade is actually right here, right there, okay? Let me just compare that. As you can see, there is a rise. We're gonna look at NGumah, right? And it's the same thing again, followed by the drop, okay? More like a double drop. There's one here and there's one right there. And if you look over here, we got one and then we got two, followed by the run all the way up here, just like NGumah, right? And then the drop all the way down here, just like Tesla. And then the consolidation. So right now we're like right here in NGumah, right there. Yeah. So you should definitely be keeping the stock on your watch list for the next week or two, okay? The price target is like somewhere around, like, let me just, right in the zone, just somewhere around here, just anywhere in here. That's your price target for this specific pattern. Now, if you got value from this video, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm and also subscribe if you're new. Now, the next pattern that I would like to talk about, actually this one is to help out the bears out there or the ones who are interested in becoming short sellers. I present to you a bubble. Now, this one is a bubble, okay? Let me just change that to the daily time frame. All right, and as you can see, the stock went up from like 30 cents all the way up to $3 in 90 days, okay? And one thing that you should be looking for if you're interested in short selling stocks, okay, is that way back here, there was a previous peak and there are a lot of short sellers who are here who made bank from this move, right? And there's also some bag holders up there who got trapped by chasing the stock, which I strongly do not recommend chasing stocks, especially those little ones. Do not chase penny stocks. Don't do it. Now, again, as you can see, there is a bunch of short sellers plus a bunch of bag holders at that level. And right now we're at the same level again. And if we zoom in to that day and we change the time frame to the 5-minute time frame, we can see that there are some short sellers that already took their positions here and already took their positions here. And what they're looking for is for the stock to open just a little bit lower, like right in here. And if and when the stock opens lower around 250, I expect the FOMO buyers, you know, the people that like to chase stocks when they're up like 1,000%, I expect the stop loss to trigger right below $2.50 and for them to panic sell as the stock is crumbling down. Now, this may or may not be the top. The stock may still go higher. That's why it's very important as a short seller to manage your risk and to cut losses as soon as you're wrong and as soon as you realize that the stock is gonna go even higher. So these are my top 2 plays for next week. I got one for the longs and I got one for the shorts. Take your pick. If you're a long bias trader and you would like to practice short selling by buying puts on stocks, then this is one that you can practice with a very small amount to know exactly what it's like to be a short seller. If you're a beginner and you like the way I trade and you like my strategy and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some links down below to show you the specific steps to get started. I also left a link to my favorite day trading book in the comment section below. Hopefully it helps you understand the terms that I use in my videos and my day trading strategy, and also the market as a whole. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can, or I will make another video about it and explain it to you and for everybody else who's watching. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I do post the patterns that I spot daily, and I do post my entries and my exits on there as well. My name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see y'all on the next one.